Excellencies, Honourable Minister Farrugia, Ms. Vella, dear colleagues and guests. As a Maltese MP, also head of delegation of the Parliamentary Assembly of the Mediterranean for the Maltese Parliament, I'm here delighted to be here rightly representing the Parliamentary Assembly of the Mediterranean. As you know, here in Malta in May 2012, at the summit of the heads of state and government, PAM was entrusted with the mandate and responsibility for ensuring the parliamentary dimension of the 5+5 West Mediterranean dialogue. PAM has since organised many 5+5 parliamentary dedicated fora, all back-to-back with the meetings of the foreign ministers, and has attended a number of 5+5 events addressing issues ranging from military cooperation to food security, education, economy, and also the environment. In the context of the WestMED and beyond, PAM is committed to the promotion at the parliamentary and governmental level of an effective blue economy approach by investing in a transition towards more sustainable, affordable, and resilient economic models. Dear colleagues, this year, PAM has contributed to the negotiations and conclusion of the long-awaited Ocean Treaty, which will greatly contribute to protecting our seas and oceans. However, further action is necessary at the regional level. As you know, the Mediterranean is a climate change hotspot, while the Gulf Sea recorded the highest water temperatures ever. It is important to highlight that PAM, a few years ago, has made a strategic choice aimed at reinforcing partnership with neighbouring regions, as their activities are closely connected to the successful implementation of a blue economy and a green transition. Namely, PAM has extended its membership to the countries of the Gulf Cooperation Council and has put in place mechanisms to promote stability in the Sahel. Within the larger constituency, the blue economy has already proven to have the potential to meet these challenges and to achieve SDG number 14 on the conservation and use of oceans. An effective implementation of a blue economy approach would allow us to preserve marine and freshwater environments and produce critical resources such as energy and food, especially in a time where these two sectors have been dramatically affected by the Russian aggression against Ukraine. However, blue economy implementation policies face many challenges, from lack of robust marine policies and weak ocean governance to unregulated fishing and marine pollution, mass tourism, and uncontrolled coastal development. In this regard, parliamentary regional cooperation and dialogue can significantly contribute to assist governments by fostering the implementation of coherent and innovative legislative frameworks that must be tailored to the specific needs of our regions and its members. In 2021, PAM was elected as a member of the UN Commission on Sustainable Development in the Mediterranean, and we have therefore signed an operational agreement with the UN Environmental Programme and its Mediterranean Action Plan. We are very active in shaping with Plan Blue the new strategy 2025-2050 for our region, and PAM is drafting the first guide for MPs to protect Mediterranean environment and its coastal areas, which will serve as a concrete legislative tool in designing coherent sustainable strategies for the region. At PAM, last plenary session in March, we have launched the establishment of the Euro-Mediterranean and Gulf Parliamentary Community for the Green Transition. Similarly, we are promoting the access to alternative capital funds by startups and incubators, and working with IFIs and WTO at integrated market arrangements. Our Assembly is also strongly committed to bringing forward these stances, such as at the MED COP23, as well as in the COP23 of the Barcelona Convention in Slovenia in December 2023. PAM will also present its considerations at the high-level segment of the COP28 in Dubai, so that the parliamentary Mediterranean perspective is always probably addressed at the most important international environmental appointments. In conclusion, allow me to inform you that the blue economy approach to regional sustainable development strategies will be at the core of the discussions of the second edition of the PAM Economic Forum. The forum will be held on the 14th and 15th December 2023 in Marrakesh, where I look forward to your substantive contribution on concrete legislative solutions to further involve the private sector in this process. Thank you very much.